Okay, this is try number two. My sound system isn't great, so I'm playing Roblox right now, so I'll try and set up the camera before I start playing. Tell me if this is okay or not. I I'll, I'll be looking at your footage. Um, Welcome back to my first video, my first one that I did was totally by accident. So make sure to like it if you would like. Now let's begin. Let's see if this video goes well. If you're not asked for Roblox, because I said in the last video, you guys can actually see videos. Oh, by the way, I'm going to tell you guys a secret if you don't know what it's secret. It's a game I'm playing. So one secret is you use that widget and that widget to get off. And then pull up this, you use that widget to get off. And by doing that, it's nice. So you see that? Two, three, two. So that is a secret place. This wall right here. This is a secret place. So what this? When you see me, you can't see me like this. We go down here. But see if you don't want to go to the So I'm going to order this. So what the cheese, this is, or something, like this here, and the bundle, and then you go to here, you tell them what you want, you want it, and and so again is always ooh. What is wrong? I get walking up these mountain hills is a pain in the bum, but it's just fun. It's fun thing. I think you put the pieces in it and then and everybody. If I had done that, I'd do it with this cost like $2.5. Actually, you can buy this stuff or here and things. So I've got lots of that hand laser, a bowl, Daddy. I've got enough for this. I don't really have enough budget left. I could have got enough to go up to 85. And then you can just say more. So I could have like thought of this, but I was like, nah. Let's see if we can buy here. So, my sound system is great on my tablet. So if you hear me like really shouting, that's my sound system. It's like it's in my head one thing. So I'll see this sound out, and then if it's no good, I'll scrap it and wait until I get like a camera, the camera something. Yeah, so go back to my house, slash someone else's apple. So my hotel, and like this, after I started the video, so apparently it's open all the time after running the piece, and it is open. So that is my Roblox name. My activity. No, that is my Roblox name. That is how it's going to see and so we can go and stuff. So I'm gonna put it's Jennifer Peacock 74 if you want to ask me. Let's see how much I got. Yeah, I'll let. Okay, so they all over my friends don't know I'm starting to YouTube right now. My people ask me. So they famous today. So if you don't know, I was this is a Tyson and this is a Cobra. If you're interested, you can comment down below and say I like snake or type in your favourite snake, like my favourite snake is whatever snake you like, or all. Like you just put I like all snakes. Or put your favourite one if it comes this way to just all and smash the face. If you don't know about the snake, you can't go another people's houses unless they like open it. It's just you can like knock on them. So if you can see in the chat there, if you want me to do a video on my house stuff, I'll be doing that tomorrow probably, or today, then I'll post it. So this is how to put stuff. You put that in there, and then go through it, or through it, then it's done. There you go. Your phone. Oh, manager, that's what manager. I So we are just going to do the magic, aren't we? Okay. Or she probably know that. Oh, stop. Okay. Magic again. Can't wait for me to go to the art and do that. Oh my goodness. I keep like half in there, so I keep it normal and like, can't you? So let's do. Okay, that's in the magic. I do not want to. That's in the magic. That's for the stage. Then there's that. I'm not sure what the magic to show you guys. So I imagine so you can put in and just in case you had never had to box in a positive. Let me show you. So you go to someone and if you're blaming someone, you want to ban someone, vote for them, and you want to quit your job or you want to put them back to work or different bonuses. So you click on them, like if it comes up. So you put that system, if the light goes into reddish or grey, then it will just use good. So really nice, like, you want to give you a bonus or something. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'll see you in the next video.